if you don't have any content related to who you are and what you do, then somebody who's visiting your page, maybe possibly through paid traffic, is gonna basically bounce. All right, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Azuka Labs. As you may or may not already know, my name is Chris and I'm the founder of Azuka Labs. And here we focus on building AI agents for businesses to help them do what? Grow, succeed, make loads of money, right? So today we're going to be talking about the infinite content engine, right? The infinite content engine. So what does that actually mean? What does like the infinite content engine mean? It means that like essentially we've developed an AI agent that can produce content in perpetuity, forever, right? This is new, SEO friendly, dynamic, relatable content on your specific niche. Well, in this instance, our specific niche, right? And the AI agent then automatically uploads this content to our landing page or website, where we have a plethora of services and blogs that is constantly being updated. Now, why is this important? In the age of the internet, everything is about information, positioning, and the level in which your expertise is delivered through your online real estate or your online website, right? So if you don't have any content related to who you are and what you do, then somebody who's visiting your page, maybe possibly through paid traffic, is gonna basically bounce, right? So let's say you're spending all this money, right? Driving traffic to your site, right? Your site has nothing in it. It's completely empty. It's just like, there's nothing there. You can't tell people exactly what you do, how you do it. So all this money is gonna be wasted. There's a helicopter passing, so let's just like take a pause for a second. Okay, I think it's gone now. So all this traffic is basically just gonna be wasted, right? So what do you wanna do instead? You want to be able to actually direct this paid traffic towards multiple pages within your website. And all of these pages essentially are pieces of content that relate to each service that you're currently offering, but also related to relevant keywords and information, so that when you do supply this traffic towards your keywords, they're separated towards specific niches, and then there are call to actions to each one of them. So for example, ours is to book a conversation, and for our clients it's also to book a conversation, right? Because those conversations lead to qualification, which then leads to sales, right? So the CTA, right? So before, right, let's say like 2015, right, before AI agents, before OpenAI, whatever, right, you weren't actually able to create tons of content every day without hiring a copywriter. Copywriters are pretty expensive, especially the good ones, right? So what does this mean? It means the funding that you could use in order to hire a good copywriter can just be used to create an AI agent, right? You create the AI agent, you give it a set of instructions. Let's say, for example, I have these facilities. Let's take, for example, an accountant, right? An accountant can do your IRS avoid statements, can do your annual accounts, et cetera, whatever accountants do, right? So the AI agent will then essentially look at these services, search the internet for whatever recent law or information about accounting is available, and then create a new blog post that will rank on Google, right, for that specific niche and keyword. So when people are typing in, hey, let's say, what do you do with accountants? File tax returns, right? Let's say tax returns 2026, right? your article that's created by your AI agent will essentially show up. So instead of this 2015 AI agent, we get, or copywriter, we get the 2026 copy agent, right? And this goes on every day, all day, forever. This is essentially the engine, the infinite content engine that will allow you to rank high, book calls, and save your marketing dollars towards the actual CTA, right? So if you want to learn more about how we actually do this for our clients, it's really, really simple. All you have to do is click the first link in the bio and schedule an appointment with us. Super, super simple. Obviously, you have to be in a particular range. Like, we're certainly looking for people who are very serious about their business and have been in the business maybe 2 or 3 years, making a decent amount of revenue and want to expand that revenue. Like, if you are new, right, into business, or you want to learn more about how like to build content engines, we do have a free Discord server where you can actually join and learn how all this stuff works. So I'll also leave that in the link in the bio. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.